Edible gardens, a tasty way to learn English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept, edible gardens. This topic is not only interesting but also quite relevant in our daily lives. So, let's dig in and understand what an edible garden truly is. First, let's break down the phrase, edible garden. The word edible refers to something that is safe and suitable to be eaten. Edible is not just about survival food. It's about things that are actually pleasant to eat. It's important in English to distinguish edible from non-edible, especially when talking about plants or unfamiliar foods. Now, let's talk about gardens. A garden is a planned space, usually outdoors, set aside for the display, cultivation, or enjoyment of plants and other forms of nature. Gardens can vary in size and type, ranging from large botanical gardens to small patches in a backyard. When we combine these two words, edible garden, we get a garden where almost everything planted can be eaten. This can include vegetables, fruits, herbs, and even edible flowers. The purpose of an edible garden is to produce food that can be consumed by the gardener or shared with others. Edible gardens are more than just a source of food. They are a way to connect with nature, understand where our food comes from, and learn about sustainable living. They can be a great educational tool, especially for children, to learn about different plants and how they grow. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what an edible garden is and maybe even inspired you to start one of your own. Remember, learning English can be fun and practical, especially when it connects with real-life concepts like edible gardens. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.